Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to add an administration account in Windows 11. First, you need to go to the Start button, click on Start button, go to the Settings option, click on Settings, go to the Accounts option on your left, click on Accounts. After clicking on Accounts, you have to scroll down a bit and then go to the Other Users option. Click on other users and go to add account option. Click on add account and then you have to wait for a moment. Then you can add that person's email ID or phone number and create an account. But if you don't know or if you don't want to do that, then you can always sign in with this option. It says I don't have this person's sign in information. Click on that and wait for a moment. Then it will take you to this window where you have to select the option of add a user without a Microsoft account. After doing that, you have to type the username of the person and then enter and re-enter the password. After that, you need to answer this question where they will ask you the questions. You have to select the question and you have to write the answer for the questions. After doing that, you have to press next. After pressing on next, you can see the account is created. Now you have to make this account an administration account. Then you have to go to this arrow. After clicking on arrow, you can see the option of change account type. After clicking on it, you have to click this arrow. By clicking this arrow, you have to select the option of administrator. Click on that and then press OK. After pressing OK, as you can see, the account is now administration account. And I hope this video has helped you. If it helped you, then please like and share this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.